Assalamu alaikum, sir. I am Mohammad Mahmoud Rahman Maruf.
Alaikum assalam. I am Muhammad Sadr. Thank you, Maruf. Maruf, how many types of coffee?
There are four types of coffee: Arabica, Robusta, Arabica, etc.
How many types of coffee roast?
There are coffee roast. There are four types of coffee roast: light roast, city roast, medium dark roast, dark roast.
Please, can you tell me some coffee name?
Coffee name: espresso, double espresso, espresso restaurato, americano, cappuccino, affogato, cortado, coffee con hilo, dark latte, hot mocha, Turkish coffee, gawa, Turkish milk coffee.
Okay. Can you tell me some cold coffee name?
Ice latte, ice is Spanish latte. তারপরে ice B60.
Okay. How to make mocha?
How to make mocha? Espresso, chocolate sauce, তারপর just milk.
Affogato?
Affogato. Espresso, one ounce ice cream.
Can you tell me how many layers of espresso? You know?
Yes, sir. There are 3 layers espresso. Crema, body, heart.
How to make high quality coffee?
Yes, sir. That types coffee bean we are using: coffee particle size, water temperature, coffee to water ratio, contact time.
How to make flat white?
Espresso steam milk.
You know how to fix coffee calibration?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you make hot B60. You know B60?
Yes,
how
sir.
to make B60? Okay, one B60 and make some latte art with coffee and make any kind of iced coffee.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum.